World Vision Switzerland invests more than 80% of donations in project work. More than 60,000 private individuals are supporting the vision A World for Children. Acquiring a new donor is, according to the various studies, 6 times costs more than retaining an existing customer. The cancellation rate of last year was 10%, respectively 4,600 pledges. If we can reduce the cancellation from 10% to 9%, we gain reduction of 460 pledges. One pledge has an equivalent of 720 Swiss francs per year. That means we would gain over 300,000 Swiss francs in 1 year that could be invested in projects. We proceed in 3 steps. First, predict. Second, test. Third, evaluate. Customer-oriented profiling detection has performed in various companies already successful in for-profit and non-for-profit organizations. Lloyds, for example, increased annual profit of £8 million by improving the predictive modeling of customer defection. Reed Elsevier gained 16 percentage points in renewal rate for a magazine. In a first step, we predict which customer is likely to give up future donation to churn in the next year using machine learning algorithms like random forest or logistic regression. We analyzed the data over the last 12 months and trained the system using 70% of the data. Once the system has been trained, we use the left 30% of the data to understand how well our algorithm is able to predict future cancellations. If the prediction is not good enough, further features has to be considered. More data or more feature has to be acquired. We take then the prediction model based on the current data and receive a list sorted by probabilities to churn. We split by random the highest 600 customers that the system predicts to churn into 3 different marketing activities. In the last step, we will evaluate how many of the 600 predicted customers has really signed off and which activity has performed the best retention rate. If this pilot performs well, it could be run in a recurring task integration with CRM. Based on the probability ranking and the communication cost, you will receive, like shown, a recommendation of how much customers has to be contacted by which channel, taking into consideration the communication costs versus the saved customers. Do not look anymore at the living customer. PreCuRe them. Thank you for your attention.